guys, today we're gonna draw a bird, and I'm gonna use yellow. Draw a tiny triangle on the left side of your paper. Then draw like a little hook. Then draw a fish tail. Go around and connect it back up to the top. Then draw an eye. And then you want to make sure to color it in. Okay. This is the finished product. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.